How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to continue the chapter that is decimal. Okay, so we have already discussed some questions of this chapter in our previous sessions, and in today's session we are going to continue discussing some more questions of this chapter. Okay, so are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. Our first question, which of the following decimal numbers has the greatest value? Option A 0.1019, B 0.19, C 0.11, D 0.101. So in the question it is given that which of the following decimal numbers has the greatest value. Okay, so before finding the greatest value, we need to convert them into the like decimal. You remember what is like decimal? After the decimal, we have to write same number of digits. Okay, if same number of digits are not there, how can you write it? You can put a 0 in the right hand side. Okay, because after the decimal, in the right hand side, 0 has no value. Okay, so 0.019 we can write it as such, that is 0.019. Then B 0.19 we can write it as 0.190. Then 0.11 it can be written as 0.110. In 0.101 we can write it as such, and when we compare the values it is clearly saying that 0.190 is having the greatest value. Okay, so the correct answer is option B, that is 0.19. Okay, coming to the next question. A shopkeeper mixed 3.6 kg grade 2 cashew nuts in 0.75 kg of grade 1 cashew nuts. He packed the mixture equally into 5 boxes. What is the mass of each box? Okay, option A 21.75 kg, B 4.35 kg, C 2.85 kg, D 0.87 kg. So a shopkeeper mixed 3.6 kg of grade 2 cashew nuts in 0.75 kg of grade 1 cashew nuts. Okay, and then he packed the mixture equally into 5 boxes. We have to find the mass of each box. So what we can do? First we need to find out the total amount of the cashew. Okay, so here the total amount, that is equal to 3.6 kg plus 0.75 kg, it will be 4.35 kg. Got it? Then we have to pack it in 5 boxes. So 5 boxes, they contain 4.35 kg. Okay, so one boxes or mass of one box, that is equal to 4.35 divided by 5. Okay, it will be 0.87 kg. Okay, so correct answer is option D, that is 0.87 kg. Coming to the next question. A coil of wire 12.948 meter long is cut into 4 pieces. The length of 3 pieces is 3.085 meter each. What is the length of the fourth piece? Option A 2.693 meter, B 3.693 meter, C 5.693 meter, D 4.693 meter. So in the question it is given that coil of wire 12.948 meter long is cut into 4 pieces. Okay, and the 3 pieces, length of 3 pieces is 3.085 meter each. Okay, and we have to find the length of the fourth piece. So length of 3 pieces, how to find out? Length of one piece equal to 3.085. Okay, so what is the length of 3 pieces? That is 3 into 3.085, that will be 9.255 meter. Now we got the length of the 3 pieces and we can easily calculate the length of the fourth piece. How to find the length of the fourth piece? What is the total length? That is 12.948 meter minus the total length of the 3 pieces 9.255 meter, and it will be 3.693 meter. That's why the correct answer is option B, that is 3.693 meter. Got it? Coming to the next question. 15 packets of rice, each weighing 6.25 kg, are repacked into packets weighing 4 kg. During the repacking, 1.75 kg of rice is lost. How many 4 kg of packets of rice were obtained? Option A 8, B 38, C 23.5, D 23. So in the question, what is given? 15 packets of rice, each weighing 6.25 kg, are repacked into packets weighing 4 kg. Okay, and during the packing, 1.75 kg of rice is lost. So we have to find out how many 4 kg of packets of rice are obtained. So what we need to do? First we need to find the total amount of rice, right? So total amount of rice, that is equal to 15 into 6.25 kg. So one packet contains 6.25 kg. So 15 packet, it will be 15 into 6.25 kg. So it will be 93, 93.75 kg. Okay. And during the repacking, 1.7 kg of rice is lost. So amount of rice packed. What amount of rice is packed? That is equal to total amount of rice 93.75 kg minus the amount of rice lost, that is 1.75 kg, that is equal to 92 kg. Okay, and now how many packets are there? We have to pack 4 kg in one packet. Okay, so 4 kg rice, it is packed in one packet. Now 92 kg rice, it will be packed in how much? 92 divided by 4, that is equal to 23 packets. So here the correct answer is option D, that is 23. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. The cost of a pencil and an eraser is 0.70. Priya bought 3 pencils and 4 erasers and paid rupees 240. 2 rupees 40 paise. How much do 2 pencils and 2 erasers cost? Option A, rupees 3.40, B, rupees 2.450, C, rupees 1.40, D, rupees 1.10. So in the question it is given the cost of a pencil and eraser is rupees 0.70 and Priya bought 3 pencils and 4 eraser and paid rupees 240 paise. How much 2 pencil and 2 eraser cost? See, this question, it is given, a lot of informations are given, but we can calculate it very simply. How? See, 1 pencil and 1 eraser, that is 70 paise. Okay, we need to find cost of 2 pencils and 2 erasers. So if 1 pencil, 1 eraser rupees 0.70, then what about 2 pencil, 2 eraser? It will be 2 into 0.70, that is rupees 140 paise. Okay, no need of calculating the things, those are given here. We can directly find out the answer. So here the correct answer is option C, rupees 1.40. Okay, coming to the next question. 20 cakes were baked using 74.4 kg of flour. How much flour is needed to bake 13 cakes? Option A 48 kg, B 48.36 kg, C 51 kg, D 49 kg. So in the question it is given 20 cakes were baked using 74.4 kg of flour. How much flour is needed to bake 13 cakes? So for 20 cakes, what amount of flour is needed? 74.4 kg. Okay. So for one cake, what will be the answer? That is 74.4 by 20. And that is equal to 3.72 kg. Okay. Next one is about the 13 cakes. For 13 cakes, it will be 13 into 3.72 and the answer is 48.36 kg. Okay, so correct answer is option B, that is 48.36 kg. Coming to the next question, find the value of R rounded off to one decimal place. 7.8 plus 2.4 divided by 60 minus 0.09 equal to R. Option A 7.8, B 7.75, C 7.7, D 8. So we have to calculate 7.8 plus 2.4 divided by 60 minus 0.09. Okay, it is the value of R. So we have to find the value of R. Then there is a rule, that is Badmas rule. You know what is that rule? Yes. So B for bracket, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this is the sequence how we should solve a question. Okay, and we are not talking about the badmasis that you are doing at your home, right? Okay, so now first we are going to do the division here. So it will be 7.8 plus division 2.4 divided by 60. So 2.4 divided by 60, you can calculate it, it will be 0.04 minus 0.09, that is equal to, next addition and subtraction is there, we can go for addition because it comes first. So 7.8 plus 0.04, that is 7.84 minus 0.09, and 7.84 minus 0.09, it will be 7.75. Okay, so it is the that is the 7.75 is the value. Okay, now it is asked what is the one decimal place, what will be the value. So for one decimal place it is 7.75, so we can write it as 7.8. So here the correct answer is option A, that is 7.8. Coming to the next question, Suman had to multiply 14.36 by 23. Instead, he added the two numbers. What is the difference between his answer and the actual answer? Option A 291.92, B 292, C 293.92, D 292.92. So Suman had to multiply 14.36 by 23. So it should be 14.36 into 23, that is 330.28. Now instead what he did, he added the two numbers. So if he added the two numbers 14.36 plus 23, that is 33 point sorry 37.36. Now we have to find the difference between the answer and the actual answer. So what is the difference? The difference is equal to 330.28 minus 37.36. So the answer will be 292.92. So when it is present, it is present in option D. That's why the correct answer is option D. Got it? Coming to the next question. Find the resulting decimal number when the given decimal expression is evaluated. 2 into 0.5 plus 9 divided by 0.3 plus 10 into 0.92. Option A 33.0, B 40.2, C 6.0, D 31.2. So we have to solve the question. 2 into 0.5 plus 9 divided by 0.3 plus 10 into 0.92, and we have to follow the Badmas rule here. Okay, and here according to Badmas rule, division comes first. So 2 into 0.5 plus, we have to divide it first. 9 divided by 0.3, it will be 30. plus 10 into 0.92. After division comes multiplication. So we have to do the multiplication. 2 into 0.5 it is 1 plus 30, then 10 into 0.92 it will be 9.2. So that is, if we add 1 plus 30 plus 9.2 it will be 40. Okay, which is present in option B. That's why the correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question. What is the resultant of 0.3 divided by 0.3 into 3? Option A 1 by 3, B 1 by 0.3, C 0.3, D 3. So we have to find the resultant of this. 0.3 divided by 0.3 into 3. According to Batma's rule, first we have to do the divisions. So we have to do the division. 0.3 divided by 0.3, it is 1 into 3. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. So correct answer is option D, that is 3. Got it? So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay? Meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.